Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Oasys token. Ticker symbol is OAS. This token is getting listed tomorrow on a central exchange, brand new listing. It actually just also got listed on another central exchange too that we're going to go over as well in just 1 second. But before we do any of that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that. Just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. Let's get into this token here. So, it is a new listing alert for Mexc Global. So it says this token will be listed December 23rd, which is tomorrow, at 10 o'clock UTC time on Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token, and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do is just go right through that Mexc referral code down there in the description box. Fund your account with USDT. Go into the trade section, search OAS, which is the ticker symbol, and then you'd simply just buy the token. It is that easy. This token also got listed on another central exchange, I believe yesterday or the day before. It's already on there. It is on Hotbit. So if you don't have a Hotbit account and you want to get this token before it gets listed on Mexc Global, you can also use that Hotbit referral code down there in the description box. So those are two different exchanges you can get this token on. It's actually a coin. I keep saying token, but it's actually a coin. I do use it interchangeably like a lot of people do, but it is technically a coin. It is running on its own blockchain, and actually I did see a token get listed on CoinMarketCap that was on the Oasys blockchain. So there is tokens coming out that are, fairly popular, getting eyeballs on CoinMarketCap that do run on the Oasys blockchain. So you can find their Twitter at Oasys_games. It says Oasys Games is an EVM compatible public blockchain optimized for gaming. Now they have a details announcement here on Mexc Global. It says total supply of this token is 10 billion tokens. They do have a full white paper. They have a Medium, Discord, their own block explorer website, which is oasys.games. All that stuff is available on Mexc Global's announcement. Now they do have 79,400 Twitter followers, so they are doing very well. So Oasys is built for game developers, offering a high-speed, zero gas fee experience to users by combining the best public L1 and private L2 blockchain technology solutions. Different people define the term metaverse in different ways, but commonly people think of it as a digital world. Whether that world exists digitally in 3D, VR, or Discord, this possibly means each company, game, and content creator may also have a different view of the digital world, thus many metaverses can be built. From a user's perspective, we can imagine the future where we go into different metaverses just like we use Twitter, Discord, and Facebook for various purposes. This is why we call it the multiverse era. In this future of multiverses, pseudonyms, avatars, wearables, and machines, your drive will be an expression of your identity, and you will want to use them across all the different metaverses. This is similar to the world in movies, which is what people typically imagine the metaverse might look like. Of course, various issues need to be solved, such as interoperability. Still, there needs to be a mechanism that guarantees the ownership of digital assets for each metaverse neutrally. The best solution at the moment is to use blockchain and NFT technology. Oasys aims to provide the foundation for the game-centric metaverse and be a hub for the multiverse where many diverse metaverses are connected. The core team of the Oasys project has been working on blockchain games and NFTs since 2018. My Crypto Heroes is one of their many achievements. DeFi dramatically increased awareness and expanded the market in 2022, as did NFTs in 2021. Thanks to the market growth, many blockchain games have been created. However, many realized many problems with the existing blockchain to implement blockchain technology in games to become widely played. So number one, it says differences and indicators between DeFi and blockchain games. Capabilities and blockchain games required for blockchain are not the same as DeFi needs since they operate differently. TVL refers to the total amount of value locked. We don't need to go over that. And it says number two, blockchain and DeFi and blockchain for games. Given the above characteristics, the blockchain requirements differ for DeFi and blockchain games. So it goes over all these things in more detail that I'm talking about. You can check that out. But Oasys is a multi-layered EVM compatible POS public blockchain that solves game developers' struggles with other blockchains. It's got high layer, high scalability, high data availability, high network stability. It's got Oasys Layer 2 technology, 3 types of FT and NFTs. Goes over that there. Tokenomics are on here. So tokens utilities, you could use it for gas fees. Due to the architecture of Oasys, the Verse layer pays gas fees for transaction rollups on the hub layer. Number two, decentralized governance. So Oasys token holders can participate in Oasys decision making through decentralized governance. Proposals include changes in inflation rates through staking, treasury uses, etc. For more information on decentralized governance, please visit the following categories. Number one is staking rewards. Staking with Oasys tokens allows you to receive staking rewards payments. Oasys tokens can be used to purchase NFTs and other products. And then we got allocation on here. So 21% goes to staking rewards, 12% foundation, 14% goes to early backers, 15% development, and 38% ecosystem. It's got their team doxed on their light paper here and their white paper, so check it out there. They also have Medium articles that you could check out, and their webpage and socials, all sorts of stuff. And like I said, they're getting listed tomorrow on Mexc Global, and they just got listed on Hotbit Global as well. So check out both those referral codes down there in the description box. Make sure you guys like this video. Subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And make sure you guys leave a comment. Let me know in the description box, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or what? Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.